Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. New customer, new vehicle, 2002 Toyota 4Runner. And this one is not just new customer. The owner is subscriber of this channel. He planned his visit to the redwoods around here for mountain biking, and he knew I'm here, so he said, hey, I can come and see the shop, get detail inspection from Peter to know about my truck more in the detail, because he bought it. It's heavily lifted, nicely lifted, but he bought it this way, so he has it relatively short time. This one is beautiful, I will say. He has some incredible custom bike holder on the back, nice tires and rims, which he put on only 5 days ago. And it's a very interesting story I want to share with you. Yesterday around 4 p.m. I was sitting with my wife in one of those redwood parks. And there is, on that dirt road, flying nicely alone, no other traffic, a nicely flying, nice silver 4Runner with the bike on the back. I was like, that's a good looking 4Runner this generation, which everybody loves. Well, Kevin came today and he's like, yeah, I was already biking. I'm like, I saw you yesterday. He's like, yeah, I was there around 4 p.m. So you see, small world, and we bumped into each other already yesterday and even didn't know about it. So that was a short story what just happened. And we were standing, getting to know each other and talking about the truck, his history with the truck. You're standing outside, it's very windy. I would love to film it outside, but you hear the door, how it's slamming. It's really windy today. We're standing outside, and unfortunately, I saw immediately something bad in front, and I want to show you that. I kept looking on this side. Actually, the wheel was slightly turned sideways, and I immediately saw this. So as you can see, the wheel in certain position, certain angle, certain positions, it's unfortunately rubbing on this pressure hose, and it started already damaging it. I think he said it was only 5 days of use, and we have to make sure that this hose will be out of the way and this behavior, this damage will stop. So basically we are all learning from each other, and when you customize your vehicles, you install something new, obviously you have to keep coming back immediately within a day or do the test drives, just to make absolutely sure that all that stuff is compatible and it's not making any damage. I turn the wheel, and it seems to be that this side, the hose, that entire can here is installed a little bit differently. It's touching it, but very slightly. This is a really hard rubber. It's like a hydraulic hose. It's a very, very strong material. I can barely move it like ½ inch, and that's all, as you can see. So that needs to be adjusted. I don't know if it will help if the can turns a little bit. Alright, but I want to share that. Of course, I show it to him already. We saw it together, so it was great. I was admiring this lift because that's some really cool stuff he has on his 4Runner. He said he bought it like that, so he doesn't know the details. But yeah, that will be what I want to share with everybody. It's all learning. We have to pay attention when we modify vehicles, so nothing gets damaged in that process. But don't you think this one is super cool? I love it. I still remember how it was going through that nature, flying through the landscape, that bike on the back. It was pretty cool. So I will go ahead with the detail inspection, and if I will see something else interesting, I will definitely try to film it too. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe. I have way more coming your way soon. Catch you later.